Today, I'm reviewing Pentel Arts Oil Pastels. Hi, I'm Syndia. If you like oil pastels, subscribe and hit the bell because there will be more. Lots more. First thing to keep in mind is that this Pentel set is not a professional grade kind of oil pastel, it's a student grade. So I don't want to make the mistake of comparing them to the best of the best. That would just be unfair. Having said that, within the student grade quality, there are pros and cons. Starting with the pros, this set of 50 colors is priced at $6. $6 is super inexpensive, and I can tell you right now that at that price they perform very well depending on your need, but more on that. Watch until the end if you want to know more. A lot of cheap affordable student pastels have pigment issues. This is not the case with this one. It has a great pigment payoff. So within the 50 shades, of course, there are a few shades that have less pigment, but nothing major. So great price, super pigmented. Where I'm finding issues is when it comes to blending. If you compare student quality oil pastel to professional quality, you'll see that the student pastels have a tendency to be patchy and gummy when you try to blend them and have the material kind of peel off, which is not necessarily desirable. I recently painted a purple bunny. You can watch the video after if you're curious, and I had that problem, that gummy, patchy kind of blending. At first I thought I used a paper that was too smooth and that was causing the problem, so I tried again with my poppy flower video, and it was doing the same thing. To be honest, I had never noticed that issue before. The reason is that I have so many oil pastel brands and I keep them all together, separated by colors, and when I draw something, I never strictly stick to one specific brand. As I'm delving deeper into these reviews, I'm realizing certain things that I didn't know. The Pentel set has that patchy problem, but I've tested a bunch of other student quality brands and they pretty much all have the same problem, and some are even worse. The bottom line is the Pentel set is priced amazingly well, $6, you can't beat that. There's a great color selection, amazing pigment. There's blending issues, as there are blending issues with all other student grade quality. So should you buy it? I would say that if you're using oil pastel for the very first time, or if you want to gift it to a younger artist, go for it, buy it 100%, it's worth the money. But if you're a more experienced artist, or if you don't mind spending a little bit more to get an amazing quality set of pastels, you should watch this next because you will fall in love with them as I have.